Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Brown rice for babies. Benefits and more. Brown rice is whole grain rice with the outer bran layer intact, providing more fiber and nutrients than white rice. Is brown rice good for my baby? Yes, brown rice is known to have many nutrients in it and is also quite compatible with many other food items. When should you introduce brown rice to a baby's diet? You can start giving brown rice to your little one once they turn 6 months old. Health benefits of brown rice for babies. 1. Brown rice has a low likelihood of containing allergens and makes an excellent choice for introducing your baby to solids. 2. Rich in fiber, brown rice is an ideal choice for babies struggling with constipation, aiding in digestive health and regularity. Selecting and storing brown rice. Uncooked rice. Check the expiry date before purchasing the rice. Store brown rice packets in the fridge at home to prevent the oily germ from going rancid at room temperature. Cooked rice. To store cooked brown rice, cool it promptly after cooking and freeze it. It can stay in the freezer for up to 6 months. Cooked rice can harbor bacteria, lasting up to 4 days in the fridge. It's safest to cook only what's needed to prevent infection. Best way to cook brown rice. Introduce brown rice in a puree form. Cook it in a cooker, then blend a 1/4 cup of rice powder with water. Serve. Risk of brown rice consumption for babies. While rare, trace levels of arsenic may be present in brown rice. Allergic reactions to brown rice. If a baby shows signs of an allergic reaction after consuming brown rice, it's likely due to added ingredients like gluten or wheat, not the rice itself. Introduce your little one to the world of healthy eating with the delightful crunch of brown rice. It's a tasty adventure.